Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn forms and validations in JavaScript. Forms are everywhere: login forms, sign up forms, contact forms, but by default, HTML forms don't really think. JavaScript is what allows us to check if inputs are empty, validate email and password, prevent wrong submission, and give feedbacks to the users. In this video, we'll build a simple form, then validate it step by step. Don't skip any part. We'll explain every single line. First, we start with HTML. HTML only creates the form structure, no logic yet. Alright, so this H1 is the heading. Alright, is the heading, and this form with this action attribute here and the ID of login form. This is our form with the ID. It allows JavaScript to control it. Alright, and we have the input with the type of text. This input collects the username, and we're also going to give it an ID of username and a placeholder so that JavaScript can also access this. Okay, so the next part, we're just going to add some line break here, so the BRO and the BR. So the next thing, we're going to have another input. Okay, so this input, this is going to be an input of password. Okay, so this hides the password while typing, and we're also going to give it an ID of password so JavaScript can access it easily, and we just add a placeholder here. So the placeholder, we're just going to type password and add a line break to this as well. Okay, so this is it, and we just go to the next part. We're just going to create a submit button here. So we write the button and give it the login and give it a type here, the type of submit. So this submits the form. So this is beautiful now. So we need to have somewhere where our error messages or successful messages are going to show. So that's where we have our paragraph element with the ID of message. This is where we display validation or error messages. Okay, so right now, let's check the browser to look at what we've done so far. And this is it. This is what it looks like: the header, the input, the password, and the login. So let's come back here. So we're going to be going to the JS right now. Now, this is where validation happens. Here we are selecting the HTML elements from the HTML so that JavaScript can grab all of them. So JavaScript cannot work unless it knows what it is controlling. Okay, so here we are grabbing all of them. This is the form we grabbed. We are trying to grab the username here. We are this is this username. We'll go to the next part. This is going to be the password, and we are going to grab the error message as well. Okay, so let's see. Let's just grab the message, and this is it. Okay. So we've grabbed everything we are supposed to grab now. Alright, so we need to add an event listener for here. So we are listening for the submit event. This event fires when the user clicks the login button, and you can see this is it here. Let's write the code here. So yeah, so this line is very important. By default, form refresh the page. Prevent default stops that behavior so JavaScript can validate first. Alright, so we can check it out on the browser now. So we just let's refresh first. So we type whatsoever we want to type here. We type the username and the password, and we log in. You can see it didn't refresh. Now it's working. So now we need to check use some validation logics here. Okay, we need to use some validation logics. So we need to check for empty fields. Okay, so we use the if statement. So this part here, we check if the user left any field empty. If you left the username or the password empty, the dot value gets what the user typed inside the input. Alright, so that's just what is happening here. If inputs are empty, we show an error message that says all fields are required. Okay, and we also make the color be in red as well. Okay, so we stop the code using the return keyword. So this is it. Is the first logic here, and we need to check for the password length as well. Okay, so here we check the password length. So the dot length counts the number of characters. Okay, so we're checking if the password that has been written inside the input field is lesser than 6. Okay, so if it is lesser than 6, it's going to print out this error message here that says what password must be at least 6 characters, and we need to make the color as well to be in red. So we just do the message dot style dot color equals red. All right, so this is it. Let's return it. So beautiful. So now we need to check for the successful validations as well. Okay, we'll check for the successful validation. So if all checks pass, we show a successful message. This means the form passed validations. Okay, so this is it. Style.colors, and it's going to be green because it's passed. All right, so in this place, this is everything we need to know. Let's just check the browser. Let's write something here. Okay, so we're just going to write any username at all. Right, let's write a password less than 6, and you can see the error message here. Let's complete it. Let it be more than 6. Now you can see it is working. That was the error. The short password gave us an error, and we corrected everything, and we had the successful messaging. What you learned here is forms triggers the submit event. The prevent default stops refresh. Dot values read users input, and validation protects your app. This same logic is useful in real world apps. If you understand form validation, you are officially moving from beginner to intermediate JavaScript. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.